In this video, you will see how to remove header on second page in Google Docs. As you can see, I have added a header on the first page which doesn't appear on the second page. First, you need to activate the header area, and to activate the header area, double click on the header. You will see here the option different first page, which means that after clicking on this option, the header will appear only on the first page. As you can see here, it is written first page header. After typing the header, if you go to the next page, you will see only the option header. So this header will not appear on the second page. After typing the header, adjust the header position and then just double click inside the Google Docs. Now check out these useful videos shown on screen related to header on Google Docs. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon